Have you ever bought a stock only to realize that price was completely different from what you saw on your screen? That happens to thousands of beginner traders every day. The reason? They are trading with delayed market data. In this video, I will explain what real-time market data actually is, why it matters, and I show you 3 trading platforms that give you real-time US stock data for free. What is real-time market data? Imagine you're watching a live football game. Real-time market data is like watching the game live. Delayed market data is like watching it 15 minutes later. If you're trading stocks, prices can change every second. With real-time data, you see exactly what is happening right now. You're making decisions using live information, not old information. Why does it matter? Let's say you want to buy Nvidia stock. Your platform shows the price at 206, but if those prices are delayed, the real market price might already be 2010. You place your order and suddenly you buy at a much higher price than expected. For long-term investors, this usually isn't a big problem. But if you are a day trader or a scalper, even a small price difference can turn a winning trade into a losing one. That's why real-time data is so important. Here are 3 popular platforms that include real-time US stock market data without charging an extra fee. Webull is perfect for beginners. You get free real-time quotes, excellent charts, stock scanners, and even pre-market and after-hours trading. If you're just starting, Webull is one of the easiest platforms to learn. Mumu offers even more advanced tools. You will find professional charts, earnings calendar, heat maps, stock scanners, and free real-time market data. It's a great choice if you want to become a more active trader. Interactive Brokers is trusted by professional traders around the world. It includes free streaming data and it's an excellent platform if you plan to trade seriously. If you're new to trading, don't underestimate the importance of real-time market data. You're making final decisions, so you need the most up-to-date information possible. And if you're choosing your first platform, Webull, Mumu, and Interactive Brokers are an excellent place to start. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching.